Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a all purple bracelet. It's for this lady. She had asked for me to make her all purple bracelet with gold spacers. But I had to spice it up a little bit and put these it's it's light purple and dark purple, a little splash of black, little splashes of dark purple in there. Then I have the light purple, and of course the purple, not purple, the gold heart spacers, if y'all can see that. So stay tuned and I'll be back. So I'm unwinding my thread string, and then what I'm going to do is make sure I'm talking in the mic. I'm going to go ahead and put, it's going to be the different color bead and the gold spacer, heart spacer, and then the light purple, and then the spacer, and then it goes on and on and on as in the pattern. It would be nice if I had my beaded needle, but it broke on me and I'm gonna have to get me a new one soon. So yeah, but how are y'all today? Me, I'm doing fine. How about yourself? So what I'm doing now is I'm continue to do it in the pattern that I have it in. I'm gonna stop halfway and then finish the other half off camera because my storage is still be acting stupid, and I hate when it does that. So but I have the ones that I did on here. I have the links to them, to the bracelet sets, if y'all want them. That's if y'all want them. I'm gonna put all the bead sets links down in the description, and if y'all want them, y'all can get them. Y'all want another color, whatever, I can do that also. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll be back. So now what I'm doing is tying it up. What I'm doing, tying it up, and I'm cutting the thread off. I'm gonna try to get it inside of the bead, but this is one of them. I like it. It's real cute. That's why I say she wanted all purple, but I had to spice it up with these beads right here. So stay tuned and I'll be back. Ciao, bye. So now I'm gonna do the second bracelet. I'm gonna do half and then half off camera. And I finally got my Cricut cutter to work in it. I am happy about that. Yes. I think it was because of the sticker paper that I had got the first time. It was too glossy or something, and it wouldn't do it right. It kept cutting other ways and stuff, but it wouldn't cut it out. It would cut on top of it, or it would cut it real small. But I had it in the size that I wanted it, but it was going real small, and I'm like, I was getting aggravated. I was sitting there doing that for like what 3 days, and I had just, I was like, well, it must be the paper because I had put it on the card stock paper, and it cut it out nicely and all that stuff. And I'm like, okay, if it's cutting it out on here, then what's the problem, And then I tried to do it again, and it wouldn't do. And I'm like, so I was real mad about that. I was getting aggravated. I ain't touched it for like 2 days and everything. And I'm like, what the heck is going on? Because I'm looking at other YouTubers and stuff that has the same Cricut cutter, and it's cutting their stuff out good. Why it's not cutting mine out? So God put it in my head, in my mind. It was the other paper, the paper I showed y'all in the beginning of y'all seeing the first part of my Cricut cutter thing. But it wouldn't do at all. And I'm like, man, what the heck? But then when he put that in my mind, that's when I was like, it got to be the sticker paper because it's glossy. I said it got to be that. So then my paper came in today, and it cut it out real good and nice, and I was like, yes. So I'm gonna have to get me, it's like matte sticker paper. It's not glossy or nothing like that, but I'm gonna show it to y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what I did with them. Oh well, what stickers I made. I'm gonna show y'all that because I wanna basically, when I do my orders and stuff, I wanna basically send my stickers out to y'all with it. Just I want to send my cards out, which y'all seen them, and I want to send my stickers out that I made. I already got one out that I already got the one that I showed y'all, whatever. I got that one, but I'm gonna let y'all see it though. So I want y'all to stay tuned, and I'll be back. So here go. Hold on, let me see. Here go the other one right here. I hope she really likes these bracelets, because I like them. And when I seen the different color ones, this one right here, I was like, ooh. Well, of course, my mama helped me get it to like where it matched colors and stuff, and she picked that light purple one, and I was like, ooh, this is cute. And I showed her, and she helped me or whatever. And when she did that, so therefore, I came up with this. Well, God put this in my mind, how these colors too. Well, how to design it and stuff. And when I got through with it, I was happy about it, but I really do hope she likes these bracelets and all that. And the bracelet link of these right here for her will be in the description. I'm letting her know that, so when she look at the video, she'll know that it's in the description part of my video. So stay tuned, and I'll be back. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all wherever I did with them. I'm gonna show y'all my stickers when I finish with these bracelets. Show y'all the finished touch of it and all that good stuff. And yeah. But I'm gonna do a video showing y'all, like, on my laptop, how I do it and all that stuff, and how it goes to my printer, and then I gotta do it on here on the Cricut cutter. I'm gonna show y'all that, all of that good stuff. And I'm getting a little comfortable being on here. I'm not like I used to be, and just, being quiet and stuff. So I'm getting a hang of this. And I like talking to y'all, showing y'all what I do, and all that good stuff. I love the love that y'all giving me. I appreciate every bit of it. Every bit. I appreciate how y'all comments and just talk sweet and nice to me, and I like it. Well, I love it, because y'all is what makes me keep going too. It ain't just my kids. It ain't, it's y'all too. Y'all keeps me going. And everybody else that I talk to, that sit here and talks to on the phone, sit here and encourage me and all that stuff. I just thank you all. Thank you all for just giving me what I need, and y'all supporting me and all that stuff. I couldn't ask for a better crew than y'all. Yep. I'll be back. And one day soon, I'm gonna have my daughter on this camera, letting her. Sorry. I'm gonna have my daughter on this camera, letting y'all see how she make her bracelets. But I probably have to guide her through what to do, what beads and stuff to get, cause she ain't about to have my dang on YouTube looking crazy what she got going on. But this is what I have, what I got, and I like it. Once again, I hope she likes it and everything. When she get it, she'll be my first customer. Well, on here, on my YouTube, she'll be my first customer, or my first YouTuber ever getting one from me. Yep. And I have another order to do from on this platform. I have another order to do, and I have to get hers done as well. So I'm gonna make a video of that one too. I just, if y'all want bracelets done and all that stuff, just comment under below, in my comments and stuff, and I got you. Just tell me the colors you want, the color spacers, all that stuff, and I got you. But I'll be back. So these are the stickers that I've done. This one is a butterfly with flowers and stuff on there. If y'all can see that, I want to make some like this, but I'm gonna make them a little bigger because they're too little for me. And then you see how it has dual and stuff. I want it to be shiny. And then I have my little rabbit. I love these little rabbits. Well, I love them. This is my first one that I did. I think I showed y'all on here the last time, but this is the first one I did. So that's the small rabbit, and this is the big rabbit. I really like it. When I seen it, I was like, oh yes, because I'm different. I'm a different type of gal. Nah, girl. And this is the one that I picked first. So when I do another sticker, I'm gonna get not the matte paper, but like a glossy, more glossier looking color. I mean, kind of paper. This is matte. I got this paper off Amazon. Oh, and then let me see your thing. And then I had made my daughter these. She loves Mickey Mouse, so I had made her Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse, same thing, same difference. It's still a mouse, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
No,
okay.
Technically,
but she liked the girl. She liked the gal. She liked the gal. The girls, Minnie Mouse. So I made them stickers for her today, and she liked them. It was another one that I did that I was gonna do, but I was like, nah, I ain't even gonna do that. I ain't gonna do that yet. But yeah, I want you all to like, share, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell notification so you know when I post another video. So probably tomorrow or either Saturday, I'm going to be doing my Cricut cutter. I'm going to let y'all see everything that I go through and all that stuff. And I probably have to give me some more ink because for them 4 days, I ran out of ink. Well, I'm about to run out of ink because of these. This right here is card stock paper compared to this paper. So basically this one looks better than this one. This one all thin, this one thick. Like, what? But I like my little rabbits. I'm gonna be making more of them, more of these too. So yeah. But again, like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notifications, comment down below. And I'll see y'all later. Oh, and hit that. Did I say that already?
No.
Hit that bell notification.
No.
I say I'm messing up, but